What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Finna go to the shop real quick. What I'm gonna do, I know the motor, they say turbo motors don't typically produce good vacuum, but I heard some people does. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook my intake to my my brakes and see if it got enough vacuum to just get somewhat of, decent brakes. So I can possibly move it all the way up to the top and then get my boy Daryl to come down there and we put on a trailer and get it home. And then I do everything else. Cause it ain't gonna be running long enough to get hot or anything like that. So yeah, that's what I wanna try. So I'll pay back to y'all. All right, y'all. Put some more brake fluid in it and I hooked the vacuum line on the back of the intake to the booster just to see if it got any kind of brakes. So let's see. We in Walmart. Had to get 2 more gallons. Car won't even go and get right now. All right, y'all. Hold on. We back down here at the shop. A few days later. We on Wednesday, March 26th. Giving y'all the dates. Finna put the rest, 2 more gallons of turn fluid in it. Then we're gonna try to bleed the brakes. Then we're gonna see if I can move her and she got brakes. Cause if I can.
She going to the house.
Yeah.
You're touching a little bit on the bottom, huh?
Trying to get the car in right.
Yeah, that's true.
He's gonna touch the end. But all right, y'all.
That's true.
We're gonna go in time lapse.
Yeah, we ain't got no.
Brakes through the line, y'all.
It actually feel like it got some brakes.
Yeah, it do until you crank it up.
They go to the floor.
Yeah, it's like, it ain't as bad as, it's bad, but it kind of got a little resistance at the very end. Like you gotta push the brakes to the floor.
shit, bro.
Yeah. So are they supposed to get tight?
Once it start building pressure, but we got, like I said, we gotta bleed it first. I just want to see if that fluid drop in.
I need to open it.
Nah, just look in there.
I fade back, y'all.
Front, cuz. Turn your wheel back straight, too.
I smell that smell.
Yeah, man, we gotta see about what they're coming from.
That ain't been in here. I don't think nothing dead, dude.
Nah, I don't think so. I don't think nothing done crawled in there.
Yeah, that ain't been in here, though. That's right.
Yeah, you straight. We got brake gang. What you feel like, bro? What you feel like?
I feel decent. Obviously, I need work.
Yeah.
Go on and move my car.
All right.
They said 85. I'm going to do it as soon as wide.
Okay.
Gotta take the hood off, y'all say it over there.
Yeah.
Good, you here? Because then we get to record the whole car moving.
Yeah. Malibu moving on her own.
Yeah. So we finna move out. She ain't got no water, y'all. But we're getting that situated at home. But moving up here shouldn't take long. Yeah. What you think I should do, Jess? Go straight back? Or just back it all the way up?
Now, I would want to feel forward.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna back straight up. And just turn.
that car shouting.
Yeah.
Come back and
Hook it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're finna do, y'all. Can't do it with the hood on her right now because y'all know I got them hood exits, so, you know. But yeah, she run pretty decent right now. Especially being that it ain't even tuned or nothing like that. No, we just got the little beginner tune. But she's still cold. So, fade back to y'all in a minute.
One eternity later.
Need a tune.
Yeah.
You know, it's the same way mine was. When you it'll act right for a minute, and then goddamn every time you try to move, it's like it's flooded. It's just super rich, man.
Yeah. How it look moving on its own power.
Nah, it look good, man. Yeah, it's just super rich.
Yeah.
That's all.
It hit 140.
Yeah, once he get that
That can hit us right there.
yeah, once he
It's
pull.
probably running a little rich too right now.
Oh, it's running very rich. Once he pull some of that fuel out, it'll be good to go.
Yeah, now this in the perfect spot for
The trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully my angles worked out. You know, I was trying to run with it and all that good stuff, y'all.
Yeah. It ain't hot at all though.
No. All right, I go get your hood. We don't want to fire them plugs out neither.
Nah, I hope I don't.
All
All
right.
right, y'all. We got 5 glass hoods, you know. Just carry it when we need to.
Hey man, go get my hood. Yeah, there go your trunk key. Yeah.
Probably stayed on that long.
Oh, you did a little something right there. Yeah, that one top 5.
I need to get a picture of that engine bay real quick.
Yeah.
Got a different lighting on it now. You got my phone?
Yep. I'm still recording. There you go, my boy. You stopped your video.